Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this spread, I will be using the Good Life April bundle, which is available at Pixel Scrapper. And I am just starting here, putting in some of my more favorite pocket cards, and then I will start adding in my papers. This was a really fun and bright bundle. I really enjoyed making it and also using it here, both in my digital spreads and then also in my hybrid scrapbooking. This was quite a fun bundle to use. I think, finally arrived in a new place where I do really enjoy using the things that I design. This hasn't always been true, but I've made some changes lately to the things and the way that I design and what I make, and focusing on these monthly Good Life bundles has really been a great change for me. I really love using them both for digital and for hybrid, and they are actually some of my favorite bundles, which is, took me quite a while, quite many years of designing before I finally arrived in a place where I was like, yeah, I really like actually using these things too. So I hope that others find that to be true as well. Although at least, I can know that one person is enjoying it. So that is definitely something that I can keep in my heart when I'm designing these bundles. So that was a little bit of a tangent, but I hope that you are enjoying watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.